Good morning students. Today we are going to talk about the topic is notation in R programming. Notation is nothing but a selecting of values. So R has a notation system that extract values from R object to extract a value or set of values from a data frame. Write the data frame's name followed by a pair of square brackets. We can use the data frames in our R platform. Example, take off, open square bracket, separated by comma and then closing square bracket. This is the example of data frame. This is the data frame name. 6 types to write index in R. That's why first one positive integer, second one negative integer, third is 0, fourth one blank space and then logical values, last one is names. What is positive integer? R creates positive integers like I and j notation in linear algebra. Example, take off square bracket I comma j will return the value of text that is in the ith row and then jth column. Example, the following diagram have a vector of 5. It select the value 5. So the vector position 5 hold the value so that we can choosing the fifth column of the vector. Another example is vector of data frame of x comma y position. So that second element. So we can select the second row and then second column and third column of the data frame. So we can use the value data frame. First one is row value and then column value. So we can put the value is vector. Take refers to the data dot frame of face equal to vector of king, queen, jack. That is the data frame name, and then suit is the suit vector refers to the squares and then other suits values and then relevant value. We can use the data frame. Okay. The head of text is display will return the face suit value. If these values have the data frames, so that king spare 13, this is one row of the value from data frame. So we can we can display all the information in our text. So then another example, take out 1 comma 1. In our example, take out multiple values. Only show the first row and first column of the value. In our text, first row and first column hold the value is king. And then take off one vector of 1 comma 2 comma 3. So the first row of text value will display the answer. That is king spare 3. Another one is take off 1 comma c of 1 comma 2 comma 3. So nothing but text refers to the one object that is new, so that we can display the new. We get the answer, same answer in previous text answer, king spares 13. Negative integer to the extract opposite of positive integer when indexing. In another programming language, index starting with 0. In our R programming language, index begins at 1. R will return every element except the elements in a negative index. Example, take off minus 1 comma 1 is to 3 will return everything but the first row of the text. Take off minus 2 of 2 is to 52 comma 1 is to 3 will return the first row. So if the last two example will return the first row of the text. Another one is 0. 0 is neither a positive integer or a negative integer, but R will use it to do a type of subsetting. R will return nothing from dimension when you use 0 as an index. Example, take off 0 comma 0 will shows the answer data frame with 0 columns and 0. So it will return nothing. The next one is blank spaces. Blank space in R to extract every value in R dimension, which is useful for extracting entire rows for our columns from the data frame. Take off 1. So we can use the syntax take off 1 comma. So the comma After that, no value mentioned. So, the first row value return the text. Double hashtag face suit value. So, returns the king's fats 13. This is the first text value in our text. Logical values. If you supply a true or false as your index. All of you know logical values either you have true or false, or will match each true or false to row in your data from data frame, or will return each row that corresponds to a true. So that take of 1 comma vector of true comma true comma false, so that it returns the first value. Face should only returns the true columns, so that the vector gives the value true true, so that text returns the king spades. This is another example of rows. Returns the true rows refer to the vector of true columns, true values, true, false, false, false. So text rows returns to the first value of the text face suit value. The face suit value is name of the data frame's column name. So that double hashtag king spades 13. It returns the 6 sum of the value. So this value is true or false. It returns the logical values. Another one is names. You can ask for the elements you want by name. This is a column where to extract the column of the data frame. Every columns almost have a names. So face already I told previous value. The value of the name face suit value is the name of the column of the data frame. Already I told. So that take off 1 comma vector of face suit value returns the face suit value. Face having the value of king should have the value of spades value have the 13. The entire value of the column we can use the take off comma value. So the whole value is 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, etc. In the following 13 values are whatever the values be given, that values have the value. So we return that value, display the text of open square bracket comma the within double quotation value. It returns the all the value in our text. So this is the example of only shows the names. So value have the hold many number of values, so that we display all the numbers in our value name. Thank you.